This video will introduce how to operate the FAMufacture and perform slicing. First, click the Load button on the top left and select the 3D model you want to print. Next, go to the Object tab and use the function panel at the top to adjust the model. You can center, move, rotate, flatten, and scale the model within the function panel. Alternatively, you can right-press the mouse and drag the model to reposition it. Then, switch to the Slicer tab and click Configuration in the top right corner. Click Import to load the appropriate parameters for different models. For this demonstration, we will select CL30, 50, 70 plus SP65, which is the shared parameter set for 3 different silicone hardness levels. Among them, SP65 represents the model of the water-soluble support material that works with the silicone. After entering the folder, please select the corresponding nozzle diameter and open the SDCP file. Next, go to the Material tab, click Import and open the corresponding SDCF file. Each parameter value can be fine-tuned. If you make any modification, please remember to click Save. Then select the parameter file you just saved in the printer setting field on the right side. Also, choose the appropriate file for the flow field. Next, according to the parameter file, select LSR plus support dual head for the cartridge setting. After confirming all the settings, click Start Slicing. The screen will then switch to the Preview tab, where you can check the estimated printing time, material consumption, and travel lines for each layer. For material consumption, you can compare it with the scale markings on the cartridge. After finishing the slicing process, click Export G-code, name the file and save it. We recommend naming the G-code file based on the printer type, silicone type, nozzle diameter, printing speed, infill density, and model name. Later, when using the load function, you can set the file type to G-code and easily find the previously saved or printed G-code file.